Even though sometimes breakout give you a very high probability of getting a profit, but it's not necessary that the breakout has a second leg. For example, there's a breakout, it's very strong, but after the first leg, it's gonna go sideways. There's no trading opportunity after the first leg. So in this case, there's only one leg, and if you see it's going sideways, the idea is to get out of the market as soon as possible. Here's an example. This huge bear bar is a very strong breakout here. However, after the breakout for the first leg, pulls back, and then the market goes sideways. There's no second leg down, so if you're in the market, it's not necessary that you can take a profit, or sometimes you could end up into a losing trade. Why this strong breakout doesn't give you a second leg or the third leg? This is because sometimes the breakout is not backed up by an economic event, so that's why it's losing its steam. If you trade normally as a breakout, you should enter after you see this big bear bar as the signal bar, but the market doesn't go much downward. And then you wait for a second signal bar here, you can also trade, aiming to go down. However, it doesn't go down as well, and then you can do the third signal bar to go down, but when you see the market doesn't go down after the 3 pushes, you want to exit the market and in a good level, so you can take a small profit, or if you can take a small loss. But that's okay. You need to get out of the market as soon as possible.